trap's very simple, easy to install. Just press into the ground, step on it, and you're all set and ready to go. Hey everyone, David here with Chef Media Group. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the WireTech Mole Eliminator. We did acquire this product on our own, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly our own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Very simple packaging. We can see this product was made in the USA, and some of the key benefits are as follows. So it's ready to use, no ground preparation, no bait required, no poisons or hazardous chemicals. And the instructions are included, but basically you're gonna press it into the ground where a mole has some activity, and you're gonna wait a couple of days, hopefully it comes back through, re-burrows, and it snaps, pinches the mole in place, and voila, you have successfully trapped and killed your mole. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our operating instructions right here showing us where to set the trap up, how to set it up, and how to remove the trapped mole. Next, you can see the trap itself, made in the USA. We have a safety and warning label on here. Be sure to follow everything you read in the operating instructions. WireTech's logo and branding. We have a nice little lever here too. That's gonna be great if we need to remove the trap and it hasn't triggered. This part you see at the bottom, this is gonna go into the ground. Then you're gonna step on this portion to set the bottom trap, and the mole will move through its tunnel again between these two arms. And once it lifts up the dirt, it will trigger this piece right here to release the trap as shown, and it will pinch the mole right in here. So the trap's very simple, easy to install. Just press into the ground, step on it, and you're all set and ready to go. Now let's go ahead and let's get this installed.